Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to open and manage large Excel file in Google Sheets. This is useful when your Excel file is too big to open smoothly or you want to work online, share easily and avoid software limitations. So let's begin. First of all, open your Google Drive. Upload your large Excel file, new file upload, and see this my Excel file. Double click, upload it, then upload it, reload, and double click to this file. Open with Google Sheets. Wait for a second. And now open. And again apply method 2. Go to file, import, upload, browse, Google Drive or upload, browse. Again apply the same process. Double click, import data, create a new sheet, open. That's it. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.